Okay, so this is the rear center compartment control system. You have your lighter and fan, heat control, etc. But here is also supposed to be a cup holder, and in this case it's missing. So I ordered the part for it, which is this. And this opens out like this to reveal the cup. Now to get this in here, we need to open up this part here, and it may seem difficult, but really it's just about getting these pieces here off. It's kind of just fitted together. To get it more easily, you can probably use the flat head. You can probably push these seats up and just try and pry here. Don't know if you could see the edges. Probably it's better to do it from on top first. You can see where I'm using this to kind of pry it forward. You see how it broke there? Literally break, but just just came off. There you go. So doing it from this side makes it the start of it easier. So from in the back, now I put back down the armrest, and you should be able to just pull it off. In this case, you can see the old one there. Needs to be pulled off. You shouldn't have to mess with these electrical components, but you'll just need to pull this off. There's a little bit of like plugs. The screws are actually star bits. Don't know if you could see it. So you will need that in order to get it out. Okay, so this is the bit that you will need. It's a CRV-T15, and I'm going to use that to unscrew this part here. Of course, don't lose your screws. It's just 4 of them. This is magnetic, so it's to pull it off by hand. And once you do that, this should just come right off. Let's see what's holding it back, right? So we'll put there. So this is the old one, and now we're going to put on the new one. When you're placing it in, this part right here, see, it kind of snaps into there. That way, and the 2 grooves here as well that you snap in. And once you do that, it's just to screw back. It is helpful if you have a screwdriver that is magnetic, because getting those down in that slot might not be easy. And once you've done that, it's just to place it back. Of course, these grooves here on either side fitting down there like that. You just want to make sure the wires don't get tangled up, and you just press it back like that. bottom thing is, I think it's the mat covering it here. Alright, and that's it. Now the cup holder is back.